one was from Twilight Garden Wax. I have a lot of wax I've been storing and hoarding. Not particularly from Twilight Garden Wax because I typically use those right away because they're my favorite. But I just have a lot of wax, so I'm kind of like on a wax buying freeze. So I didn't buy, number one, I didn't buy her Halloween box because I didn't know what scents were in there, and I'm not a bakery scent chick, and so I didn't want to get a whole bunch of bakery scents because that's usually typically the fall type scents. And number two, because I have enough wax already. Once the sale of the box was over, she had leftovers, so she put them up on her site for sale, and then I could pick and choose which scents I wanted, and so that's what I did. So I placed an order from her Halloween collection, but I was able to pick and choose what I wanted of what was left over. All right, here is her card. Notice on how to take care of your wax and use your wax. My invoice. Did I really get this much? Really didn't realize. I mean, it's still not a lot, but I got more than I thought I did. She knows I love that candy. And so this is cute. This is a little vampire tea thingy that comes with blood. My granddaughter will love it. Well, one of them. Now that I have two that are old enough to like stuff, they fight over things from time to time. So I have to be careful who I give it to, or in the presence of whom I give what to. All right. So the first thing I see in here is Scary Stories, the spooky blend of fresh picked pumpkins, soft autumn flannel, and rain on a crisp autumn day. This is pretty and it smells amazing. I always want to say delicious, but since I don't like bakery scents, they probably aren't delicious. This kind of smells delicious though. I think I did get one or two that were bakery scents only because the shape is pretty. Then I think this is a sample, and it's this is a bakery scent. I don't think I ordered this. Did I? I think she just threw this in. This is called Pumpkin Lane, and it's a little dragon. I don't know what the scent profile is because she doesn't put the full scent profile on the samples, but it is called Pumpkin Lane, so it smells pumpkin-y. Then we had Visions, a blend of pumpkin, ginger apple, pie crust, marshmallow, vanilla, and nutmeg. And why did I get this one? Because it does sound like a bakery scent, right? Because look, that's why I got it. It's so cute. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. And the sparkle on it is freaking awesome. And yeah, so this one again is called Visions. The next one that I got is Unruly Pumpkin, patchouli, sandalwood, citrus, vetiver, pumpkin, cream, nutmeg, cinnamon, clove, vanilla, allspice, and sugar. Another one I took a chance on, and it doesn't smell bakery at all. It just smells pumpkin-y, which I'm okay with. And this is it. It's just like it's hard, to find non-bakery scents during autumn or Christmas. If I have one more sugar cookie or chocolate marshmallow or just mint, which is all the Christmas stuff. I know it's Christmas stuff, and that's what I hate. Mint, I hate chocolate, I hate bakery scents. So I'm SOL during the holidays, seasons, and Halloween. This is Jack's Snacks. And it's sweet pumpkin, molasses, cookies, and butterscotch. And again, this was for the shape. Because I need cute shapes so that I can do the demos. I need cute shapes. That will not be sliced into, that will be used whole. Haunted Carnival is fried funnel cake, crisp apples, and fluffy cotton candy. I bet you this smells amazing. Yes, this just smells like sweetness. Not bakery goods, but sweetness. But let me just show you the shapes though. We have a worm. I think this is What is this? I have no idea what this is, but it's cute. We have a skull. And then we have, I can't tell what this is. Is it an eyeball? I think it's an eye. Well, I can't tell. But those are the shapes for Haunted Carnival. And it just smells sweet. Get a mess here. All right. So what's next? We had these tombstones. I had to have these tombstones, and I'm glad it's two. And I couldn't tell whether it was one or two, but I'm glad it was two because I was like, I want both shapes. This is called Summoned, and it's a scent of the grave torn open by a spirit summoned. It is deep, moist earth with hints of grass clipping and funeral flowers. Oh my gosh, this smells like soil. I love it. And then this second one, this one, look at this one. That's an awesome shape. My daughter's trying to come in quietly. I decided to do the unboxing out here where I normally don't. The next one is Season of the Witch. Oh my gosh, how cute are these? This is a blend of blackberries, apple melon, magnolia, marshmallow, vanilla, sugar, and woodsy notes. Oh, that smells amazing. Look at this. There's two of them in the pack. So these are like skull hands. Oh, by the way, look at my nails. They match my Pennywise shirt. I didn't even know that when I was doing my nails today. Anyway, let's see if I can get this back in. Oh, this smells so good. All right, and I think I got two of the tombstones. Maybe I got two of them because I was afraid I wasn't going to get the shape that I wanted. That's exactly what happened. All right, this next one is called Cujo Bites. Mulled cider mixed into creamy cheesecake topped with maple buttercream. Again, I got this just for the shape. I might as well have went ahead and gotten the Halloween box because the shapes are so cute and that's what I go for, right? I mean, even though I don't like bakery scents, I ended up buying bakery scents anyway because they were so cute. All right, then we have, I guess I got two of the Season of the Witch. So these are some more hands. And then this one is Crisp Halloween Nights. Oh, this smells nice. Oh, I probably have glitter all over my nose now. And this is scented in citrus, apple, cinnamon, rose, clove, cotton and tonka, vanilla, peach, raspberry, and musk. And I love this one. This one smells, it's right up my alley. Then we also have Eerie Jungle. Yes, nice. I always do that when it's not really a bakery scent. This one is a blend of cypress pieces. Oh, his eyeballs, like something fell out. I don't know what it is. There's two round things, but I'll show you in a minute. A blend of cypress, cedarwood, lemon, coconut, saffron, patchouli woods, floral, pineapple, vanilla, and musk. And he's just one of these ghouls here, or zombies, however you want to look at him. And then we have a couple of samples. So let's take a look at the samples. I'm not going to take these out of the bag anymore. My hands feel all waxy now. We have Supernatural Sweater. This is what that looks like. This kind of looks like a Freddy sweater. Oh, that smells good. And it's a sample. Then we have the Visitor, and it's a little alien guy. I cannot smell him, or he smells a little mapley maybe. And he's just a little alien guy. All right, so what we have, we had Eerie Jungle, which was the zombie. We had Supernatural Sweater. We had Cujo Bites. A little paw print. We had the Crisp Halloween Nights. Scary Stories. This was adorable. And we had this Pumpkin Lane little dragon, which is adorable as well. We had this Haunted Carnival. We had 2 of the Summoned, and it looks like I now have 4 different types of tombstones, which is amazing. Summoned. So I had 2 packs of those. I have 2 packs of Season of the Witch, were sort of like bone hands, I believe. I have the Unruly Pumpkin. I'm just going to take him out again because he's just too awesome. I hope I'm able to do him justice when I melt him. Then we had 2 more. We had Visions, which was a clamshell, and it's just freaking gorgeous. I can't wait to see what she has coming up for Christmas, because she has some Christmas scents I really, really like, none of which are like food scents. But there's one that she made last year in the shape of this little truck with the tree on the back. I hope she brings that back. Jack Snacks. It's probably one of my favorite scents that she made for me, was the one in that scent last year for Christmas. That's probably one of my all-time favorite scents from her. All right, so that's it from Twilight Garden Wax. And it says on here, I hope you love your wax. It's Twilight Garden Wax. I always love my wax. All right, guys, that's it. Look at the seasonal filling here. And I will talk to you guys on the next one. Bye.